In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report on Expensify. We'll walk through the process step by step so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to add an expense and get it ready for reporting and submission. First, open Expensify in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the green icon. This is your starting point for creating new expenses and reports. Go ahead and click that green icon. It will open the interface where you can start building your expense entry that will go into your report. Next, you'll be given a choice on how you want to add your expense. You can click on Manual if you want to type in the details yourself, or you can choose a file if you already have a receipt image or a document saved on your device. If you're uploading a file, make sure it's clear and readable, since this will be used as proof of the expense. Once you've selected either the manual option or uploaded your file, you'll see a screen with some basic information about your expense. When you've confirmed that everything looks correct so far, click on Next. This moves you forward in the process and prepares the expense for additional details. On the next screen, you'll be able to specify who the purchase was made from. Click on Merchant to add the name of the merchant. This might be a hotel, a restaurant, an airline, or a vendor. Type in the merchant name clearly so you, your manager, or your finance team can quickly recognize it later. Accurate merchant information makes reviewing and approving expenses much easier. After you've entered the merchant, click Save. This will lock in that information for this expense. Take a moment to visually confirm that the merchant name is correct after saving. Now, you'll want to explain what the expense was for. Click on Category to choose the appropriate category for the expense, such as travel, meals, office supplies, or whatever options your organization provides. Picking the right category is important because it affects how costs are tracked and reported in your company's accounting system. Once your merchant and category are set, and any other required fields look good, you're ready to finalize this individual entry. Click on Create Expense. This will create the expense item, which can then be included in your expense report for review, approval, and reimbursement.